Let's start the book summary of The Lean Startup. Do you dream of launching a successful business but fear wasting time and money on ideas that might fall? Eric Reyes, The Lean Startup gives you the ultimate playbook to minimize risk, innovate faster, and create products customers love. Think of your startup as an experiment. Just like a scientist, you test ideas, learn quickly, and adapt. Let's dive into the key principles of the Lean Startup method. Number 1 is DOT. Start small with an MVP, minimum viable product. What's an MVP? It's the simplest version of your product that solves a problem. Forget about perfection, focus on getting real feedback from real customers. Example, Dropbox didn't start with fancy features. Their first product was just a demo video explaining how their service worked. The video got overwhelming interest, proving the concept before they wrote a single line of code. Number 2 is the build, measure, learn loop. At the heart of the Lean Startup method is the build, measure, learn loop. Build means create an MPV. Measure means test it with customers and collect data. Learn means analyze the results and decide your next move. This cycle helps you avoid wasting time on features no one wants, and instead focus on what truly matters. Number 3 is validated learning, or prove your assumptions. Many entrepreneurs fail because they assume customers will love their idea. Don't assume, prove it with data. Test small and often to see what works. For example, Airbnb's founders didn't create a full platform right away. They tested their idea by listing their own apartment on a simple website. When people booked, they knew they were onto something. Number 4 is pivot or persevere. Sometimes your idea might not work as planned. That's okay. In the Lean Startup, you have 2 options. Pivot means change your direction. Persevere means stick with your plan and improve it. For example, Instagram started as Bourbon, a complicated app for checking in and sharing photos. But users loved the photo sharing feature most. So the team pivoted and focused solely on that, leading to one of the most popular apps in the world. Number 5 is focus on actionable metrics. Not all numbers are helpful. Downloads or likes might look good, but don't tell you if customers are happy. Instead, track actionable metric, like how many users come back or how many recommend your product. For example, a startup offering meal kits should measure how many people reorder kits, not just how many sign up for the service. Number 6 is embrace continuous innovation. The Lean Startup method doesn't stop after you launch. Keep improving your product with small, regular updates. Example, Amazon updates its website multiple times daily, tweaking features based on customer behavior and feedback. This approach helps them stay ahead of competitors. Mark this: innovation isn't a one-time event, it's a habit. Number 7 is why the Lean Startup works. Saves time, test small, fail fast, and learn quickly. Saves money. Avoid spending on features or products no one wants. Increases success. Build a product that truly meets customer needs. Let's conclude. The Lean Startup is more than a book. It's a mindset for creating businesses that thrive. Whether you're launching a tech startup, a small bakery, or even a new app, these principles can save you time, money, and stress. Dream big, start small, and keep learning. That's the Lean Startup way. Thank you for watching U-FITZ. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.